will discuss about the next topic, search for values in arrays. That means searching an element in the array, searching process. So what is comes in the searching process? In that we are having some array of elements. Within the array of elements, in that you can find one element, that element is existed within the array or not. So the type of the process is called as the searching of arrays. So if you want to do this, you are also having the different types of the techniques. In that mainly you are in the linear search and the binary search. And linear search, you can search the each and every element, is it existed or not. So that process is called the linear search. In binary search, in that you cannot search each and every element. So in that you are having the different technique for the binary search. If you are comparing the linear search and binary search, the binary search is faster than the linear search. So now I am explaining the binary search process. So in that binary search I am taking the elements. If you are applying the binary search, in that all the elements must be in ascending order only. If the elements are not in ascending order, first you can apply the ascending order process. After that you can apply the binary search. So what is comes under the binary search? In the binary search, in that you can divide the array into the two parts. And you can search the element either first part or second part depending on the values. So if you want to do this one, this is the first element and this is the last element. So in that you are taking the positions 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total N 5 elements. The first element is the first 1 and last element is 5. So in that first of all you can calculate the mid value. Mid value comes from the first plus last by 2. You can take the first plus last by 2. That means in that first is 1 plus last is 5 by 2, that is the 3. So the third element is the mid element. So in that binary search, in that I want to find out the one element, key element is 30. You can verify that 30 is existed within the array or not. So in that you can compare this one. In that you are having the different types of the comparisons. If the key element is less than A of mid, if the key element is less than A of mid, then you can search last equal to mid minus 1. Or if key element is greater than A of mid, then you can apply the first equal to mid plus 1. So that means if the key element means in that 30, in that you can check that the key element is equal to the A of mid. If key element is less than A of mid, then you can go to the left part of the array. If key is greater than A of the mid, then you can go to the right part of the array. Again you can apply the same process again and again. That means this is the recursive process. If key is equal to the A of mid, then that element is found. So in that the key element is 30. So our mid position is 3. In third position around the element is 30. So the key is equal to the A of mid. So then the 30 is found in the process. Suppose if you want to find out the 20, at that time 30 less than A of mid. If 30 less than A of mid, then you can go to this way. This is the first. And last equal mid minus 1. So mid minus 1 means this is the last. So 1, 2. Again you can calculate the mid value. Mid equals 1 plus 2 by 3. That means 1.5. So that means 1. So first and mid, this is the 1. In that the element is 10. 10 less than 20. Yes, 20 less than 10, no. So come to this one. Now you can go to the 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So this is the last element and this is the first element. Now you can find out the mid. Mid is 2 plus 2 by 2, 2 element. So this is the mid. Our key element is 20. 20 equal to A of mid S. So this element is found. So in that we can apply the process for find out the element is existed or not in binary search. Okay, now I will discuss about the what is the program you want to apply for the binary search. Now this is the program of the binary search. In that class binary search, public static void binary search. That means in that I am taking the function binary search. So in that binary search it will contain the arguments in the array, first element, last element and key element. So in that, first of all you can calculate the mid value. So int mid equals first plus last by 2. So in that you can compare the first and last. If while first less than or equal to last, then if array of mid less than key, then first equal to mid plus 1. Else, if array of mid equal to key value, then we can print the value array element is found at index. We have to mid position and break. If these two conditions are not satisfied, then you can set the last equal to mid minus 1. And again you can do the process of mid equal to first plus last by 2. If the first is greater than last, if the first element is greater than the last element, then you can print that element is not found. So this is the technique you can apply for the binary search. So now I will go to the main function, the public static void main. In that I am taking the array, that array contains the 5 elements 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And in that I am assigning the key value 30. In last equal to array dot length minus 1. So last equal to array dot length minus means in that I am starting the array from 0th location, so 0 to n minus 1. So binary search array 0 last key. That means array 0, last means 4 and key value 30. It will be passed to the binary search and it will be applied. So in that way you can do the process. If you are applying this one, in that we are taking the key value 30, the 30 is found, the output comes under the element is found at index. So 0, 1, 2. So this is the output of this program. So this is the binary search algorithm.